Hello, I'm going to walk you through the elements of a service-based invoice in Apptivo. At the top of the page, you may create a quick invoice or create an invoice based off of a project. On the top right of the page, you have a configure button where you can customize the app to better fit your needs. Across the top of the page, there are several tabs to filter invoices by category, and we also have checkboxes where we can perform bulk operations on the invoices from this page. On the invoice creation screen, we have many different fields that we can supply for this invoice. At the top of the page, you'll select a customer from your Apptivo account, or we can create a new customer record using the green button. You also have the option to enter in a purchase order or work order number if you have one, and then on the right of the page, you'll have invoice date information as well as the payment terms. You can also define a discount if any is being provided. Finally, you begin entering in your service details. Start off by supplying a task name and description, and then you can set the proper rate and record the total hours spent. You can add additional services or delete services by using the links in the right column. The subtotal, tax, shipping and handling, discount, and total amount will be automatically calculated based on the numbers that you provide. Once you have entered the correct information, you may cancel the invoice, save it for later, or email it to your customer. And once completed, you will be taken back to the overview of the invoice. You may view individual invoices by clicking on the invoice number. Here, you will be able to view all the details you entered about the invoice, including the tasks that you have associated with it. At the top of the overview page, you have the option to edit this invoice. We can download a PDF and print this invoice, or we can send an email reminder about this invoice to your customer. Once the customer has paid this invoice, we can also click the Record Payment button to create a receipt and close out this invoice. To view notes you have added about your invoice, click on the Notes tab. And here, all notes you have written in the past will be displayed, and you also have the option to add new notes. To view activities associated with this invoice, click on the Activities tab. Here, you may add new activities by clicking the green button in the upper right-hand corner and then selecting one of the available activity types. Finally, to view documents associated with this invoice, click on the Documents tab. You may upload new documents by clicking on the green Upload button, and then they will appear in the list. And that's it. Check out the Apptivo YouTube channel for more videos.